Hey y'all, it's Dawn's Press-Ons, and today I'm going to do this really cool nail art that I saw on Instagram. And let's just see how this works out. I have done a white gel paint and cured it. Now I'm going to put some top coat down and not cure it. And I'm just playing today, so I'm just using my play products that I use for when I just want to mess around. So some no wipe top coat. Good. Next, I need to take some black gel polish, and I'm going to use my Gotti Back to Black 02G. I don't think you guys can read it. It's taking up the camera. There we go. 02G Back to Black. It's my favorite black gel polish. Covers pretty well in one coat. I'm just going to put a dot of it over here on my palette. We're going to work kind of quick here. I've not done this. I've not tried this. You guys are seeing it live. And I don't know how big of a dotting tool. I need a dotting tool. I don't know if I need that big or that big. Well, that's got stuff built up around it. I need to soak that in acetone. Anyway, I need to pick a head size. Okay, so I definitely don't think that. I really think that or that. Let's go with the bigger one. And I'm going to put a little bit of alcohol in a dish here. Just need a tiny touch of alcohol. And I use 91% alcohol. I just put a little bit of it in here, okay? So now I'm going to get everything put over here on the right-hand side. All right, let's dip my dotting tool in that black and get plenty of black on it. And I'm going to drop it in the center of my nail. I really want plenty to be there. Good. Now I'm going to clean that off here. I've got a lint-free wipe right here beside me. I'm just going to clean that off. Oh, I'm just going to dip my dotting tool in the alcohol, and I'm going to drop it here in the center. And hold it in place. And when I'm happy, I'll lift up. And mine doesn't look quite like hers did. But still looks pretty cool. I say let's cure it. And that's what we ended up with. I could retouch up that black center. I guess we could just use a dotting tool again to just retouch up that black center. Perfect. Let me just pop that in and freeze it. And let's top coat it. And here's the final look. You know, you could play around with this. You could do blue and then come back and like touch it up with black in the center to make a true pupil. You could do green or purple or gray. You know, the sky's the limit. This would be so fun. You could paint some red veins in it and do it for like a really spooky zombie eye for Halloween. There's all kinds of crazy things you could do with this to make it super fun, okay? So here's what I saw them do on TikTok. I don't know why I don't have the perfect black ring like they did, but you know, it's okay. I love it. So I can't wait to play around with this a little bit more and come up with some fun ways to use this. So here you go. Eyeball art. All right, you guys, you know the drill. We're a brand new press-on business and we need your help. Please hit that like, the thumbs up or the heart, the subscribe, follow. You know, we appreciate each and every one of you that watch our videos. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.